Thanks for tuning in to PR's Room. Today I'm going to do a video on the Sony XPeria XA1. Previously I did a review. Unfortunately since then a lot of things have changed. The main issue I'm having is with the touchscreen keyboard. First, the back button isn't working, and that's a big issue because when I'm working on a specific app and I go to one page, such as on a browser, then I want to go back to the other page where I just started at. Many times it won't go back, so I'll wind up having to restart the app, start from the beginning basically. The other issue with the touchscreen keyboard is the end keys. Now it's a little different on a computer, but on the phone the touchscreen end keys are the 1, the Q, the 0, and the P. A lot of times what will happen is I'll press the 1 and I'll get a 2. Or I'll press the 1 and I won't get anything at all. And the same thing with the other ending keys. So that's another issue. In addition to that, there's several other keys that every so often aren't working. So there's definitely an issue with the touchscreen keyboard. I read the booklets and I did some research. And two things I tried so far. I rebooted the phone. I actually tried that several times. Fortunately, that didn't make a difference. And I restored the phone back to factory settings. Unfortunately, the only thing that did was erase all my programs. Luckily, they're easy to get back. From there, I called Sony, and they told me two possible solutions that I haven't tried yet. One is simple, remove the SD card. Try formatting it, then see what happens. Another is a software patch. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to format the disk, micro SD card, and then if that doesn't work, I'm going to try the software patch. Okay, so I completed the formatting. Formatting went well. I tried the phone both with and without the micro SD card. Both ways had the same result. There wasn't any change. So my next step is to try a software repair. This program right here is called the Xperia Companion. It comes with the phone. And with this program you could do many things. One of which is a software repair. What I'm going to do is go right here, click this thing right here. This icon looks like a wrench and a screwdriver. That's the software repair or the software patch. I'm going to click it. I'm going to go through the steps and then I'll get back to you to tell you how that went. Okay, so the software patch went through. I tested out the phone. Unfortunately, once again, there wasn't any difference. I was still having trouble with the keys, back keys, side keys, a few other keys. So my next step is to send it out to Sony. I'll get back to you in a few weeks, tell you how that went, and we'll see. I'll either have a new phone or the phone I have right now will be working in perfect condition. Here I am back with the final part. And I'm very glad to say that Sony did an excellent job. Everything is working perfectly. The issues I had, pulling down the top menu, that now works. Let's do a search. Pressing any corner button, whether it be the 0, the P, the 1, the Q, search, enter, or the back button, everything is perfect. I was going to upload the video today when unfortunately, I'm very disappointed to say, now I found a new issue with the phone. Basically, something's wrong with inside here. It's loose or pushed in, and when I want to charge it, I have to maneuver this around playing with it. If you watch the battery up here and you listen carefully, you'll hear little sounds, and you'll see the battery. You see how it's popping in and out, trying to get it at the right mode. So I called Sony. I'm gonna send it in. I'm gonna upload this video, and there'll be another part coming soon. Thanks for watching PR's Realm. www.youtube.com/PRSREALM.